So all over social media right now, you're seeing people turning themselves into action figures with little accessories and things like that. So you might be wondering how to do it. So I'm going to show you right now how to do it on a mobile phone, smartphone, and also on a desktop, so you can do it in either. And it's using Chat GPT. So a couple of weeks ago, I guess I got in early on this trend when I saw my friend Michael did it, and he shared the prompt with me. I'm going to share it with you. Okay, so whether you're doing it on the phone or on your computer, what you want to do is you want to go to Chat GPT. So you can use the app, or we can go to the website. So I'm using the free version of Chat GPT, so you don't have to pay anything. So if you're using the free one, you are going to run out of upload credits after, I don't know, like 5 or 6 images each day. If you know the number, just drop it in the comment. Then you're going to put this prompt in. I'll show you how it works really quickly. Then you're going to want to link to your photograph. So I'm just using one off my library. And then just let it go ahead, and there we go. It created something. I mean, it doesn't really look like me at all, but that's okay. And let's do the same thing here on a desktop. So on the desktop, go to chatgpt.com. So right now, I'm just going to paste this prompt in. Great. And we'll hit the little plus button, and we're going to upload a photo. And here's a headshot here. Now, it doesn't have to be a full body. Chat GPT just really wants the face, and then we're going to just go ahead and apply it. So it could take a few minutes for this to happen. It's not super fast. I'll speed it up, show you the result. And then we'll go through the main parts of the prompt, and I'll show you the important stuff. All right, what have we got here? I mean, it sort of looks like me, like cartoon character version of me, amazing either, but there we go. You can see what we've got there. So if I wanted to modify, like maybe use a different color package, I could just change that, make yellow package, or type something else in there. All right, so let's have a look at the prompt. First part here, make a collectible action figure with a realistic design, minimalistic packaging. So maybe we'll change this to bright blue packaging. So this is telling us what color packaging we want. And then we give a label. And notice it does a great job across the top here. So why don't we call this Colin Smith, the Photoshop Trainer. Okay, so Colin Smith, the Photoshop Trainer Kit, that's what's going to be set up here. And now we're going to base the figure on the photo. So that's the photo we're going to upload. So we got skin tones here. So we're doing strong and tall. If you don't do the tall, you could end up with the very kind of stubby looking one, which a lot of people are getting, kind of looks cute, like very cartoony. Okay, so we've got boots, but we could be wearing Chuck Taylors, black t-shirt, blue jeans. So we're determining how we want this character to be dressed. Okay, now we've got an accessories section. So include an accessory section on the packaging. So this is the side here where we've got accessories, and it says accessories. Notice how we're putting it in parentheses so we know to say accessories. And these are 4 accessories in here. So that's one of the books I wrote. It was actually the first book I ever wrote. But let's do something different. Let's do a MacBook Pro. And in the packaging background, so this is the background behind it here, is military green. So why don't we do something like, let's do an off-white. And then the aspect ratio, which is 9:16, is going to give us the size. And now we'll see what we get making the changes. So obviously you're going to put your hobbies or your work in there when you create yours. Okay, so here we go. Well, that really doesn't look like me. Maybe I'll try a different photo. But you can see there's the accessories, and there's the new case, and there's the Chuck Taylors. So try it for yourself. So hopefully you had a little bit of fun with this. If you want to share your prompt, look me up on social media. So I'm photoshopCAFE. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, all the social medias. So tag me and share your pictures with me. And drop a comment if you let me know what you think about this trend. Are you getting tired of it, or are you excited to try it? And if you're new, welcome to the cafe. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications. You won't miss any of my tutorials. And until next time, I'll see you at the cafe.